So more stuff came in after the live stream, so I thought maybe make another video, but make an actual video with the GoPro. So anyway, more push mowers. We got this lawnmower right here. I'm pretty sure I got the piece for the handle. I like these old flatter. I like the flatheads. Oh, I think they're just better mowers. This is an older flathead. Now, I mean, not too old, but and it's pretty good shape. This time of year with mowers, people are starting to cut. I can make some money off of some mowers. That one's got a broken wheel. I need to look, see if I got a wheel or if the engine's any good, and maybe fix it and sell it. This one's the cable's broke. I need to hold it together to see if it's even worth buying a cable. This I might fix. These style right here, honestly, I hardly ever fix them and sell them because nobody really wants that style of mower. This is a nicer one. I need to be able to test it. The cable's broke. I need to be able to test it and see if it's any good. Well, it's probably got an auto choke cable. That older one right there ain't really worth anything to me. That one's probably ruined. If I got good parts, probably. This Honda right here will sell good. I usually get pretty good money out of ones with Honda engines on them. So I'll probably get good money out of it once I get it fixed. Order a new carburetor. Because usually on these Hondas it's just easier to get new carburetors. Cheaper in a way. That engine right there has compression. I don't know what I'm going to use it on. No pressure washer engine. Use it on something. And then I started sorting out. Those that haven't watched my live stream, I got these hitches. These are 2016 GM hitches. They retail a little over $300. But I started sorting out the load on the trailer. These right here have compression or have decent parts. This over here is just scrap metal. And then I got all these bags over here, all these bags. And then more to go. I gotta hurry up and get this done because I got some yards to mow. And then I gotta come home and do repairs. This one will probably be parted out. But that's it. That's what the haul we got today. So if anything, I hope to get a few decent mowers out of this to sell. This time of year, I can easily get between $80 to $100 a push mower. Now, like I said, I'll probably keep this lawn boy for myself because I like it. But that's it. So be sure to like this video, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.